Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Please, if you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm coming to show you how to get 1K subscribers on YouTube within a week. Yeah, all the tips that will make you get 1K subscribers on YouTube, which other YouTubers are not telling you. Today I'm going to reveal all the secrets and the tips for you. Stay tuned. So, not long ago that I started my YouTube channel and I reached 1K within a week. And this got people talking about it, asking me, how did you make it? How did you get it? How did I make it? How did I get it? Yes, I have all the tips for you. I have all the secrets for you. So, if you are watching this video and want to get 1K, please don't forget to have a YouTube channel. Yes, not funny, because many people want to get 1K on YouTube channel. Meanwhile, they don't have a YouTube channel. So you must have a YouTube channel and have the possible settings done. And also people are thinking about how am I going to do my video, the equipment that I'm going to use, create my YouTube channel. I don't have the camera, I don't have light. Stop all these things. You have no excuse not to become a YouTuber, because I have all the secrets for you. Like me, I am a YouTuber, but I don't use camera to record myself. I use phone, although I have camera, but I don't use the camera to record myself. I use a smartphone. Yes, right now I'm using a smartphone to record myself, because I'm a very busy person. I can't carry phone, go anywhere, do my editing. So the next video that I'll be doing, I'll be showing you the tips that you can use your phone, record yourself, do the editing, and make your video look like a pro on YouTube channel. But today I'm talking about the tips and the secrets to make you gain 1K subscribers within a week. Tip number 1. You must be active on your YouTube channel. Yes, talking about be active on your YouTube channel, not like being on your YouTube channel every day, but posting frequently on your YouTube channel. Sure, you must be posting a lot of video on your YouTube channel, because if I am your subscriber, if I've seen one of your videos that I like, I loved, I watched, then I want to come back tomorrow to come watch a video from your YouTube channel, and when I'm back there is no video there for me to subscribe. Like, it won't let me come tomorrow again to come again to, because I know if I come there will be no video on your channel. So try to post frequently. So many failure YouTubers are not getting subscribers or views because people sometimes they post once in a month, others even post once in a year. It will make you a successful YouTuber. So you must be posting frequently on your YouTube channel. Try to engage your subscribers every day, day in and day out. So whenever they come to your channel, they will find some videos to watch. They will find some videos to entertain themselves. So posting frequency on your YouTube channel will help you gain more subscribers. You gain more subscribers and more views, and that will lead you to 1K subscribers. Someone will say, me, I'm a musician, how am I going to post frequently on my YouTube channel? Because I don't mostly do music videos. I don't do music video daily, or I don't record daily. So how am I going to post frequently on my YouTube channel? I have all the tips and the secrets for you. If you are a musician that you want to be a YouTuber as well, try to post frequently. Like I said, you can do a freestyle video every week. Try to do a freestyle video on your YouTube channel. Do a freestyle video post on your YouTube channel. Or anytime you go perform on at a show, any show that you go, let someone record you and you post it on your YouTube channel, so you can engage your subscribers, feed your subscribers with videos. Because if you are a musician and you are thinking about you are a musician, so you can't post every day on your YouTube, or you can't post frequently on your YouTube channel, it will lead your subscribers go to someone else. Because there are some musicians who are doing this, who are doing freestyle videos, posting it on their YouTube channel day in and day out, or at least weekly. Every week, try to do a freestyle video, or any show that you go, try to record yourself and put it in your video. Tip number 2, you must find audience. If I say find audience, whom are you doing the videos for? Whom do you want your videos to reach? Like doing a video for kids, you must find out, search the kind of video that kids like doing a cartoon video or video games video, because you know kids love video games, they love cartoons, so you must do a research of the type of or the kind of videos that kids love or kids like, so you can do the same. Because you can't do a music reaction video for kids, you will get no views or you will get no subscribers on your channel. So try figure out the kind of audience that you want, because if you don't find that audience, you will always do the video on YouTube channel and you will get no one to watch, or you get no one to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and that will lead you to a failure of your YouTube channel. So always try to figure out whom that you want your video to reach. Like me, when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't have any audience. Because I'm a beginner, I don't have that subscribers who are going to watch my video. So I sat down and said, whom do I want my videos to reach? Whom do I want them to subscribe to my YouTube channel? So I started doing music video reaction for the underground artist. Do you know why I started from the underground artist? Yes, because if I do a music video for a mainstream artist, how am I going to get that kind of views? Although I'll be getting 1, 2, 3, 4 views from them, but how am I going to get that subscribers or that huge views that I want? Because there are many people who are doing music videos on YouTube, and they are doing it for those on the limelight. So if those people are having plenty subscribers, so whenever they post this video out, they are going to get subscribers or they are going to get viewers. So me as an upcoming YouTuber, what should I do to get those kind of subscribers or those views? Although I'm doing the same as them, I'm doing music videos reaction. So you have to start from the underground people, those who are upcoming artists, to do a music video for them, reaction for them. These people have some huge fans. The upcoming artists have some huge fans. So whenever that I do that music video reaction for them, they will post it on their various social media platform, and this will lead their fans to go search for that video on YouTube. So they will come on YouTube to watch the video. They will leave the link on their platform, and it will invite a lot of people to come on YouTube, watch my video. So you must sit down and look for the kind of audience that you want them to watch your music video. Search for the right audience, because if not that, you put an very informative video on YouTube channel and you get no one to come subscribe to your YouTube channel, you get no one to come watch your video. So always try to get some audience that you want to do the video for. Don't just do video and post it on YouTube channel. Tip number 3, you must have a clickable thumbnail or an attractive thumbnail. What is thumbnail? Thumbnail is an image that you first see on an image which is on YouTube. Any image on YouTube, the first image that you are going to see is the thumbnail. So you must have an attractive or clickable thumbnails, because if you have a video on YouTube channel and your thumbnail is not attractive, it's bored thumbnail, no one is going to click on your channel. So if you have that kind of attractive or clickable thumbnail, it will lead more people to come to your channel, to subscribe to your channel. Like having this kind of thumbnail and having this kind of thumbnail, which of this thumbnail are you going to click first? Because there's a lot of videos on YouTube that people are looking for to watch. Maybe your video is the video that person is looking for, but because your thumbnail is not attractive, the person will be clicking other video which has an attractive thumbnail. So you must always spend time on your thumbnail most. I will advise you to spend time on the thumbnail even more than the video, because it is the thumbnail which is going to let the audience click on your video. Like have a thumbnail which has an emotional feelings. Like some people's thumbnail will be having some weird face, like they'll be putting something that is weird. When you see the video or you see the thumbnail, say, what is this? Let me click on it and go watch what the actual video is. So always have a thumbnail that will attract more audience, that will have a traffic on your video or on your YouTube channel, and that will make you get more subscribers on your YouTube channel. It will make you hit 1K just within a week. Tip number 4, you must also have a clickable or attractive titles. Just like the thumbnails, your title, how did you title your video? Is your title attracting more audience? Is your title causing traffic on your channel? You must have a title that will make audience to click on your video. There are so many videos on YouTube, so your title must be something that will make the audience know, why am I tapping this video? What is this video saying? So your video title is very, very, very important. You must have an attractive title, something that will attract someone to tap on your video to come and watch. Because if you have a video there and the title is not attractive, maybe the video itself is attractive, but the title that you have titled that video is not attractive, it is not causing traffic on your video, you will lose so many views, and that will lead to lose of so many subscribers. So you must have an attractive and clickable titles, just like the thumbnail. Yes, so the thumbnail and the titles are linked. It is the same, they work parallel. You must treat them the same. Treat titles and thumbnails the same. It must be attractive and also clickable. Just like seeing a title like how to make 1 billion in a month, you will be eager to go click this video, because you'll be telling yourself like how to make 1 billion in a month. But the video and the title must connect. You don't have to make a title and when the person come watch the video, the title and the video don't connect. Always make your title and your video connect. Make some attractive title that will connect with the video. Tip number 5, it is the video and the audio quality. If I talk about the video and the audio quality, it's not about going for a quality camera to shoot a quality video, but the video and the audio must be informative. If I'm watching a video, I must get something from your video that I'm watching that will make me stay on your channel or watch your video from the start to the end. Because if I watch the video and I get nothing from your video, I will not come back to your channel again, or I won't even subscribe to your channel. So your video must be attractive. What are you doing the videos for? Are you doing it for fun? Do you want the person who is watching the video to be happy at the end, or do you want the person who is watching your video to get angry at the end? What do you want the person who is watching your video to feel? So your video must be very informative. The video must be attractive. Do something that it will help, it will lead the person come to your channel day in and day out to subscribe to your channel. Your video must have some humor in it. Like if the person is watching, you feel happy, you feel like staying your channel every day. So some people will be having quality lighting system. The videos are dope, the colors, everything are dope, but the information that they are giving out to the audience, they are not informative. The audience that are watching the videos, they won't get anything at the end. So if I come to your channel and watch some video on your YouTube channel and there's nothing informative about the video, or I get nothing from it, or even when I'm watching the video I feel bored, I won't come the next day to come watch the video, because I know when I come I'll find nothing. I'll just waste my bundle, waste my time. So I won't even subscribe to your YouTube channel. So let your video be very informative. You, the person doing it, you must add some humor in it. That will get the audience attractive, so they will come to your channel or they will subscribe to your channel, and this will help you grow your YouTube channel very, very faster. It will lead you get more than even 1K within a week. Do this to your channel or do this to your video and you will get more subscribers. Tip number 6. So you must download VidIQ on your phone. If I talk about VidIQ helped me a lot. VidIQ is the app that helped me reach 1K within a week. This is why people are asking me, how did I make it? How did I make it? This is my best tip. Listen, VidIQ is an app that will help you grow your YouTube channel very, very faster. Like it will help you it will help you add a competitor, someone who you want to do a similar video with. If someone is doing a video that you want to create a similar content, it will help you add that person as your competitor, that you know the kind of video that they are doing and the kind of videos that is getting more traffic, that you also do the same and attract those kind of audience, so they also come to your channel, watch your videos, and subscribe to your channel also. So it helps me to add some competitors that I am competing with them, or I'm doing a similar videos with them. So I will also create the kind of content they are creating, so I will also get more views, more subscribers on my channel. So download VidIQ. VidIQ also help you get some keywords. When I talk about keywords, it's like tightening your video. If you are tightening your video, there are some keywords that you need that will cause traffic on your video or cause traffic on your YouTube channel. So you must get those kind of keywords, and VidIQ is going to help you get those kind of keywords to put it in your videos titles. So if you have these titles in your videos, whenever your videos have been uploaded on YouTube channel, it will attract so many people to come watch your video, because there are some ways people mostly type on your video or search, and they will help you get those kind of title, the words. So you put it in your video titles, and it will help you gain more views and gain more subscribers as well. It also help you to know kind of videos which is trending on YouTube. They will show you some videos that is trending on your YouTube due to the content that you create, the type of content that you create. They'll look at the type of content that you create. They will give you the videos about your content that is trending on YouTube, so you can also create that similar videos to attract those kind of audience. So I will advise you to download VidIQ, and it will help you grow your YouTube channel, just like it has helped me to gain 1K subscribers within a week. And there are so many things that VidIQ will help you of. VidIQ will help your channel a lot. There are so many stuff on VidIQ app that will help you grow your YouTube channel very faster. It is helping me a lot, so I'm recommending VidIQ for you to also download VidIQ, and it will help you. Tip number 7: platform to share your video links. Yes, so many people will do, or they will create a video, or they will create a content, put it on YouTube, and after putting it on YouTube, they will just leave it there. They will go back and sleep. No, if you are doing this, you won't get subscribers on your YouTube channel. You must have platforms to share your video links that will invite people to come to your YouTube channel to watch your YouTube and subscribe to your YouTube channel as well. So platform like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you can put these video links on this platform, and it will attract people from these various platforms to come to your YouTube channel and watch your YouTube video, because you are an upcoming YouTuber. You have now started. If you put the video on YouTube channel which you have no subscribers that they are going to watch that kind of video, you get no views, you get no subscribers. So you have to invite people to come to your YouTube channel. So you have to be like sharing your video link to this kind of platforms. Don't just post your YouTube video, your video on YouTube and go back to sleep. Share this video links to this kind of various platforms, and you will invite more people to come to your YouTube channel, and they will subscribe to your YouTube channel. This will help you grow your YouTube faster. You will 1K subscribers on YouTube within a week. And the last and important one, you find it, you think this is funny, but this is the very important one. You must always remember the viewer to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Yes, you must remember the audience to subscribe to your YouTube channel, because someone will create a very enjoyable video, enjoyable content, and when someone is watching the video, because the person is enjoying the video, he or she won't remember to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So you must have some video or links on your screen or on the video that will remember them whilst watching the video, whilst enjoying the video. You must have some links that will lead them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, because someone will be watching the video and they will be enjoying it, they will forget to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So always remember them to subscribe to your YouTube channel. As you are watching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so these are the tips that I used to get 1K on my YouTube channel within a week. If you have any misunderstanding, or you have anything that is bothering you, not helping you to grow your YouTube channel, you can leave it in the link. You can leave it in the comment section, and I will do a video for you to tell you what to do and how to do it to help you grow your YouTube channel very faster. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. We are out.